try the other ones? 11, 12, 13, or 9? Any of you guys?
Sir, can we solve
No
this
one.
question?
Yes, yes, Abir.
The 16th question. Can we do
Fif- 15th one.
16th one?
16th one. Okay, but did you try these ones? Hmm?
No, sir, I started with 16th question and I was
But you
going
got stuck in this.
backwards. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, so you have started this question, so let us start with you, right? So the idea is the same about the factorization method. So yes, after Amira, the turn is yours, right? And then it
Yes,
is
sir.
Shoaib's turn. So, and what about the rest of the question? Shaiba, Amira, Shoaib both. So this is your first class in the quadratic equation. So we will not bother you with these questions. And Tejas, we needed some time, right? So, okay, so it's good that she is not here, right? Okay, otherwise we would have make her sad more. So, right. Okay, so the 16th one, Abhi, this is your question. So x square is that 4 root 3x square plus 5x and minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. So what is AC, Abir?
4 root 3 into minus 2 root 3.
So that is 24, right?
Yes, sir. 8 minus 8 into 3.
8 into this. So you got the answer, then what's the problem? Okay, so Abir already got these combinations. Minus 8x plus 3x. Oh, plus 8x minus 3x, right? And then 2 root 3 equal to 0. So what is common in these two? Yes,
4.
4 is common, right? So 4 is common, so this is 4x. So this is 2 and what? So 2 root 3. Oh, so this is root 3. Root 3x plus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Now minus of what is common in these two terms. Hmm. What is common?
Sir, root 3.
Right. So why are you doing root 3? And then we'll get what? Root 3x and what?
Minus plus 2.
Plus, right? So we have to assign or we have to take the factor so that we get these.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, so you got, so what was the problem in this question?
No, sir. As I was answering you, I realized I already got the answer.
Yeah,
Root 3 and minus root 3.
yeah, so this is root 3x is minus 2, so x is minus 2 by
2 by
root,
root 3.
which is minus 2 root 3 by 3. So this is 1, and the other one is what? 4x is minus plus root 3, which is, so this is x is root 3 by. These are the two values. So, okay, this is the answer that you got.
Yes, sir.
So what was the question then? What was the doubt? Yeah, so yes, Abir, what was the doubt there?
No, sir. I was not able to figure out the. I can separate 3 as root 3 and root 3 again.
Yeah, okay, so this was the problem. Good, so everyone understood this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you guys, please note it down, and then after Abir, so it is Shoaib's turn. So Shoaib will tell me about this 4 root 3 14th one. That is okay, that is nearly complete question, but okay. So yeah, 14th question, and that is already there. So what I will say that you guys all solve this question. Noted this part, 16th one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shaima, Amira, and Shay. Tell me when you guys have noted it down.
Done, sir.
Done.
Okay, so Shoaib, noted. Yes, Shoaib, are you there? Oh, so okay. So now you all guys solve the 14th question, and then I will leave the 15th question for you guys, and then I will ask Shoaib to do this 17th question. So that is how we'll solve these questions. So you guys solve this 14th question. This is a direct problem and tell me the answer. Question is this one. And you will see that how this is a direct question. Okay, so solve this question for me and tell me the answer, guys. Who's not
Sir,
here?
x
Oh,
equals 1 and x equals root 3.
who? 1 and
Root 3.
root 3. Okay. Okay, so Shyama has got 1 and root 3. You guys also calculate and please tell. So Ashit is not here, and who else is not here? Tejasvi, I guess. Yeah, Tejasvi is not here. Baz is not here, and well, Aisha is also not here.
Sir, x is 1 and root 3. Yes, sir, same as Simon's.
Oh, same as good. So yeah, we have an agreement to the solution. Good.
Y is equals to root, 1 and root 3.
1 in root 3. So we are solving for x, not for y. So
Yes.
okay, Shoaib. So if you guys are stuck at something, so in this class, if we have doubt, then we ask the question. Okay, so if everybody is getting the answer, so you guys don't, yeah. If you have doubt, then please ask. Right? Yes, Shoaib, what did you get? Or if you have doubt, then we'll discuss this question. Okay, so Shoaib also got. Okay, so we don't have any disagreement in the question. So let us skip that one. Good. So this was direct. We have to just break these two terms, right? So root 3x plus x. That was the answer, right, guys? Okay, so now the 17th one. You guys try this one at your home and please try one of these four. So this one and then this one. And for your practice part, I have already told you to try 18th one and 8 one and 5 one. So these kind of questions. I have already told you guys to solve these kind. So 20th one and 19th. These are same. 22 again. So these are all same question. and 25, 26, 27. Okay, we have so many same kind of question. And this one 33 one also. 37. So many question of similar kind, right? Okay, let us come back to what we did. So 17th one. A plane left 30 minutes later than its scheduled time, and it's in order to reach the destination 1500 kilometer away in time. It had to increase its speed by 100 kilometer per hour from the usual speed. Find its usual speed. Right. So plane started 30 minutes later than its scheduled time, and in order to reach the destination 1500 kilometer away time, and it also had to increase the speed by 100 kilometer per hour from the usual speed. So this is exactly the same question as, so at some point Shaima did this question, right? Shaima, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Oh, where was that question? Oh, so the question was from the NCERT, right? So this is exactly. The idea is that what is the time difference that we know?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, which is half an hour.
Half an hour.
So we have to write T1 minus T2 is half, right?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
this was supposed to be Shoaib's question. Why am I telling her? Okay. So Shoaib, can you unmute your, so, okay, Learnivio got this. So we have these two, this is, let's say, starting point, this is the destination. It is 1500 kilometer. So let's say if it was with, what should we assume in this question, Shoaib?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Amira.
Sir, can I leave the class because I'm not feeling well?
Oh, okay, of course, yeah. And take care. What happened?
Nothing, sir. Just I'm just feeling
Headache,
not well.
headache. Okay, so yes, take care. Okay, take care, Amira. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
yes. Allah
Jazakallah
Hafiz.
khair. Allah Hafiz,
Allah
sir.
Hafiz. Allah
Assalamu
Hafiz.
alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Okay, so the distance between these 2 points is 1500 kilometers, right? And what should we assume in this question, in these kind of questions, Shoaib? Do you remember? Yes, Shoaib, are you there? Hmm. So can you unmute yourself, Shoaib? Yes. So you are writing. Actually, there are guests in my house, so I am unable to unmute. Okay, so then who's going to help Shoaib? Shaima or Abir?
Sir, I'll help.
Okay, good. So, yeah. So now, what should we assume in this, in these kind of question, Abir?
The speed as x.
Yeah, good. So we assume that speed is x. Okay. So for the first case, we calculate the time. Oh
Yes.
yes, no worries, Shweb, no worries. So yeah, if you're facing and you can't have control on your guest, right? So you can't push yourself, push your guests outside. So that is not in your control. So I can totally understand, right? No worries, Shweb. Okay, so now tell me, Abir, what would be the time in first case? Let us denote it by T1. So what would be the time in first case?
Distance by speed.
Yeah, so distance is 15
1500.
and speed is x. Good. So this is right, Shaima. We are exactly doing the same thing, right, Shaima?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the scenario has changed. due to some reason, the aeroplane or the plane started 30 minutes later. Okay, so now the speed has changed to, so the distance is same. But to cover up this time, we had to increase the speed. So what was the speed?
X, now it is X plus 100
X plus.
kilometers per hour.
Right, so this is the new speed. Okay, new speed. So what would be the new timing?
1500 by X plus 100.
So this is the, now Shaima will tell me that which one is the bigger time? This one or this one? Which one is the bigger time? Yeah, we know that time difference is half an hour. So if we increase the speed, then time will shorten or it will be longer. Yes, Shaima.
Time will shorten.
Yeah, time will shorten. So which is the smaller time, T1 or T2?
T2.
T2, right? So then we always subtract from the greater one to the smaller one. So what we will write? T1 minus T2 or T2 minus T1?
T2 minus T1.
No, no, no. Which one is the shorter one? So this is the greater
T1
one.
minus T2.
Yes, absolutely. So according to question. And T1 minus T2, we know that this is half an hour. So let me write it as 1. Okay, so now the ball is in your court, guys. Right. So you guys solve these two. What is T1? 1500 by X minus 1500 by X plus. So now you guys solve this equation and tell me the answer. So Shoaib and Shaima and Abhi, you guys solve this question and tell me the answer. And if you guys have any doubt, so please, everybody understood this problem, right? Yes,
Yes, sir.
good. So please solve this and tell me the answer. So now you guys see the importance of these kind of questions, right? So these kind of questions help us to improve our timing and calculation. And this is where we need the timing and correct calculation. So that is why I'm saying that you guys please solve these questions, these type of questions. So you have the assignment, solve these kind of 2019 type of question first, and then go back to the word problems.
Sir, I'm getting X as 500 or
500 kilometer per hour.
minus 600, but negative is
Yeah,
not.
so speed cannot be negative, right? So 500 kilometer per hour. So let us check. This is 500, so 300 minus 600. X is 500. So Shoaib is also getting 500 kilometer per hour. So you guys also write the units, right? So 500, so 300 minus 1500 by what? 600. This is cancelling, right? Oh, so not 300 but 3. This is cancelling. This is 2. This is 5. So what is 3 minus 5 by 2? That is 6 minus 5 by 2, which is half. Right, so this is half, which means that this answer is correct. Right, everyone? Good. So whenever we get any answer, we can check. Right, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, Shaima, now, yeah, whenever you get any answer, please tell. Yes, Shama, did you get stuck at some point?
Sir, I don't know what are the factors of 300,000.
300,000. How do you get 300,000? That is
Sir, I got the equation x squared plus 100x minus 300,000 equals 0.
okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
oh,
Yes, sir,
same.
that's the question.
Oh, same equation. So you see, Shama, you are in the right direction. 300,000. And what was the middle term?
100x.
300,000 and 100x. Okay, so you see what is 300, what is that? 300,000. So one would be, let's say, one is 1,000 and then 300. Or let us say that, let us see, 0 we can take care of later. This is 2 and 150 and then triple 0. This is 2 and then 7 and 5 and then triple 0. So we have to reach, this is 1 5 and triple 0. 5 and then this is 3,000. So 5 and then this is 600. I guess 600. Oh, so we got the answer, right? So this is how much? This is 5 for the 20, 5 the what? 100, 5 the 500. So this is 500, this is 600. Understood, Shama?
Yes, sir.
So these would be, yeah, this is the factor that you guys got, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Good. So now it is clear, right? We don't need to solve this, right, Shama?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us, okay, so now that is your turn, right? And this part you guys understood. So should I, or do you guys want to note this down? Yeah, do you guys want to note down this part? Always remember, whenever we get speed time, so we make these kind of pictorial diagrams. Then it would be easier to understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so should we move on or do you guys want to note down this part?
Sir, I have already noted.
Already noted. Shaima, what about you? And Shweb?
Done, sir.
Yeah. Okay, good. So now Shama, this is your turn, right? Okay, so this is similar, this is similar, this one. So we have three consecutive, this word is important, consecutive natural numbers are such that, so first let us assume. So what would be the number? Let us assume that first number is x. Let's assume first number x. So what would be the next number, Shaima?
X plus 1.
X plus 1. Who is joining and leaving? Oh, Hashid, you are here. Hello, Hashid. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, Hashid. Can you hear me? Yes, Hashid. Okay, maybe Hashid is. And what would be the next to next number?
X plus 2.
X plus 2. So how should I write? Next to next. Or the number after it, next number. Next to next. That is x plus 2. Now let us see what is it saying. So the square of the middle one, right? So square of middle one. What would be square of middle?
X plus 1 the whole square.
So this is x plus 1 square. Exceeds the difference of the squares of the other two. So what is the square of, or let me write it as difference of square. Difference of square of other two. What is that?
X plus 2 the whole square minus x square equals
Good.
x
So
plus
this is,
1. Huh?
yeah, this is the difference of square. Now it is saying that square of middle term exceeds. So this is 60 greater than the difference of these two. So if we add, oh, so you tell, oh, you tell me what would be the equation. Yes.
X plus 1 the whole square plus 60 equals x plus 2 the whole square minus x square.
So you see that it is already exceeding, right? This middle square is already exceeding. So if we add 60 to it, it will be even more. It will be not equal, right? One is bigger and we are adding something to the bigger one. So it will again, we will be more bigger. If we want to equalize, then we should, where we should add? The smaller one or the bigger one?
The smaller one.
Right, so which one is the smaller one?
X plus 2 the whole square minus x square.
Yeah, so here we should add, right? So this is equal to what? Yes. Yeah,
X plus 2 the whole square minus x square plus 60.
good. So this is, so you see that this middle term square is exceeding by 60 the difference of these two squares. So this is what the question is telling us, right?
Yes, sir.
Now it is consistent with the question. So if we would have added this 16 here, so we are writing that this is already exceeded and we are adding to it, so it will be greater even. So the idea or one thing we could do is that we can subtract 60 from it in here. Then it would be equal to the difference of square of these two. So, Abir and who got disconnected? So Hashid got Hashid, Hashid came and then he left. Yeah, is this clear, everyone? Abir and
Yes,
Shoaib?
sir.
Good. So now up to you guys. Shaima gave you the equation. Now you all three solve this equation. Okay.
Sir, x equals 9.
X equals to 9. So X is 9, then the other one is 10, and the other one is 11. So this is what you are getting, right, Sham?
Yes, sir.
So let us check the answer. If we add 9 plus 1 whole square, that is 100. And 10 plus 2 whole square. So 10 plus 2 whole square is how much? 12. And whole square is 144. Minus of 9 square. Okay. Oh, what is x plus 1 whole square? Oh, 10 square, right? 10 square is 100. And this is equal to 9 plus 2 whole square. Oh, that is 9 plus 2 is 11. Sorry, sorry. Oh, 9 plus 2 is 11. So that is 121. That is what I thought. That why this is 81. So this is 40. And if we add 40 plus 60, what we will get?
100.
So which means that this is the correct answer, right, Shaima?
Yes, sir. Even I got 9.
Oh,
Or x is minus 7.
so but you see this in this question. So this is where this word is important. Natural number, right? Natural number cannot be negative.
Negative, yes.
So that is why minus 7 is discarded, right? Okay. Yes, Shoaib Saab, what did you get? Now you guys are improving the calculation part as well. So, okay, guys. And yeah, so did I say this in your batch, Abir? I have said this about the syllabus, right? Okay, good. So Shoaib is also getting 9, 10, and 11. So now it is your turn, right, Abir? Good. So you guys noted this part, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now let us erase this and yeah, Shaima, I forgot to Shaima and Shoaib. I forgot to tell you this about that you guys please send me your syllabus. And if you have got the question paper of previous sessional or those kind of exams, so send that to. Then I would be able
The
to understand
syllabus of what?
syllabus of your school exam, right? Math, to be precise,
Half
because
yearly?
yes, half yearly, right? When is that?
So it's already over.
Oh, sorry, I also okay, Shaima. So what is the star exam that you will face in the upcoming days?
So I'm not sure about it. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I have social next.
Yeah, what exam?
Social.
For what did you say? I didn't hear.
Social studies.
Oh, social studies. Social studies exam. Okay, so that is not related with maths. Oh, so you don't have any exam for maths. The
Yeah,
what do
it's
you call it?
already over.
No, no. So half yearly and then some PT exam. What they take in
Unit
between
test.
unit test. Yeah. So unit test and all those kind of other exams. Don't you have any
Yeah, sir, but I don't know the portions. Probably the rest of the chapter.
rest of the chapters? Okay. So if we don't know the syllabus, then we prepare all the things, right? So yeah. And Shweb, yeah, if you get the syllabus, please send it to the Lord so that I can understand that what is the pattern or what is the yeah what kind of question that have been asked me. Okay, so now whose turn is it? It's Abhi's turn, right?
Yes, sir.
The sum of two natural number is it the product? I will not this question. I will not give this question because this is too easy. So Shaima, Shweb, and Abhi. In your mind, you have already calculated the equations, right? This 29th one.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I'm not, I know the caliber of my students. Who are not. Okay, the 30th question. Same as what Shaima got, what Shoaib got, but you already did that problem. So these kind of question chase you, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are getting the same question again and again. But yeah, 1500 kilometer timing is also the same. But only thing which is different is this one, right?
Yes, sir. So instead of x plus 100, it should be x
X
plus
plus 250, right?
250.
So let us skip this question. Oh, so this is also discarded. Okay, two water taps. Okay, yeah, this one is question. Okay, so this question you guys you do at your home and then right because this is question, right? So that has been asked many times. So you guys think about it and then tell me if you have any doubt. Because yeah, so whenever you have these kind of question, then you calculate which part of the work they are doing. So this is some time and work type of question. So in these kind of question, you calculate the part. So if let's say the diameter of if the smaller diameter is x and the longer diameter is x plus 2. So the time that it or the work that it will do is 1 by x. And this would be 1 plus these kind of, this is the question and then this is how much. So this is 8 by 50. This is the equation of this question. So in this way we do this question, but yeah, you guys do this question on your own, and then if you have any doubts, please ask. Okay. So let us move on to the yeah, Abid. So again, you are getting the same question.
Yes, sir.
A motor bought in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24, then return to downstream to the same spot. Find the okay. This question is so 34th one. We have this river, right? So it is flowing in this way. Okay, let's say that it is flowing in this way. So this is in this way the river is or the stream is flowing. So if this motor boat is moving against, okay, and then this has some, right. So this motor boat is moving in this direction. So this is going upstream or downstream?
Upstream.
Upstream, right? So speed will be less or more?
Less.
Less, right? So speed will get scanned. Right. So what do we do in this question? What should we assume first?
Speed as x.
So speed of the stream as x. So speed of stream is x, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what is happening is that we are, so let's say that we are moving upstream. So what would be the upstream velocity or speed?
Distance by time.
So no, I'm asking that let's say that speed of stream is x, right? And the motorboat speed is 18 kilometer per hour. Okay. So now if it is going in upstream, what would be the actual speed? So this is moving with 18 kilometer per hour. Okay. And this is x kilometer per hour. So what would be, this is upstream that you say. So what would be upstream speed?
X minus 18.
X minus. Good. So this is x minus 18, and what would be downstream?
X plus 18.
Good. So this is what we needed. Now we know the speed and we know the time. And what is the distance? 24 kilometers. Right. So the distance between these 2 points is 24 kilometers. So now the question is same. Question is 1 hour. Right. So which will take lesser time? This will take lesser time or this will take lesser time?
Downstream will take less.
Downstream. So let's say that T1 is what is T1? Yes.
X minus 18.
Time, this is time. We have speed. This is the speed. So should I make the diagram? So time, we are calculating time. Abhi. The exact,
24 by
yes, yes, yes.
8 minus 8. X minus 18.
Right. Oh, did I write x minus 18? Oh, so the speed is decreasing, right? So 18 minus, right? 18 plus x. Because the speed of stream will decrease the speed of this one, right? So this was going with 18 kilometer per hour, but this stream will reduce the speed. So the speed will reduce from this part, right?
Yes, sir.
From 18 it will reduce. So we will get 85. Now, what would be T2?
24 by 18 plus X.
Good. So, yeah, did I make this question a very difficult one? But because it was the easy question, right? Similar to the previous this one. So this question and this question, right? This is similar to this one, right?
Yes, sir.
But only this is upstream and downstream. So downstream we add this speed, upstream we subtract this speed. Okay, so now what will be the equation, Abir?
T1 minus T2.
Yeah, because this is the larger time, longer time. So T1 minus T2 is how much?
1.
1. Good. So we have got the equation, guys. Now you guys solve the equation and tell me about the answer. Okay, you guys solve this question and then tell me about the answer. So, who said that quadratic equation was tough? Oh, Harshit was saying, right? Harshit was saying that it is. So now we have completed polynomials. We have completed this linear equation and now quadratic equation. Only the nature of roots is remaining. So we will do that too. But up to this point, is it difficult, guys? Yes, Shaima, Abir, and Shoaib cannot help me. But is this difficult, guys?
No, sir, since we have already known polynomials, so
Yeah,
we
yeah.
can solve the equation. We just
Good,
need to form the equation.
good. So that's why NCRT people are very clever. So that is why in the starting they have given this polynomial, and all the subsequent chapters are related to this polynomial. Yeah, sorry to disturbing you guys. Uh, you guys solve the equation and tell me the answer. What is happening, guys? You get the result.
Sir, I'm getting the sum greater than the product.
You are getting sum greater than.
The product in the equation.
Okay, so sum greater than equation. Sum, which sum greater than equation?
So the equation I'm getting is x squared plus 48x minus 24.
X square plus 48x minus 24.
Yes, sir.
Oh, 48x.
The equation is, so she has gotten the equation right, but it's minus 324 instead of 24.
So 18
18
into.
18 square.
Oh, yes, sir. I just didn't see the 3.
Hmm. So you guys are helping each other out. Good. Good. So
Sir, x is 6 or x is minus 54?
so 6, right? X can be 6. Minus 54 is a very large
Yes, sir.
speed of stream, right? So 6. Let us check the equation. So a bead has got 6 kilometer per hour. So 24 minus 18 minus 6 is how much? 12. And then 24, 18 plus what? 6. So that is, this is 2 and this is 24 by 20. So 1, which is our, right? Yes, Shaima and Shwe, what about you guys? Yes, Shaima and Shwe, what did you guys get? Is someone speaking? Yes, Shwe and Shaima. Shaima got stuck at some point.
Yes, sir.
So what is the problem? Did you get the factors?
No, sir. That's where I'm stuck at.
Oh, so this is 324. That you say. And what did we? What should we get? What was the B? Yeah, what was the middle factor?
48.
48.
48. Okay, so this is 2 and this is. So we start from here and then in the middle when we see that we can get this 48, then we stop at that point. This is the idea, or this is usually what I do. So 3 and then 27. So, oh, what was the equation? X square minus 48 or plus minus 324. This was the equation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is 12 and this is 27. So this is 38. Okay, so let us, now what do we have? Again, what is it? Six, 18. What we'll get? This is, and we have to get 48. So, and remember that both, oh, so, hmm. So is this the correct one? Yes,
Yes.
right, Shaima?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, this was difficult to find. No worries. So yeah, that is why we have to practice a lot. So these are the two factors, and then minus 54 and plus 6. So that is what we can do. Okay, everyone. So let us stop at here, and you guys practice other questions. Right. So how many questions are left? This is again tab question. This is again upstream and downstream. So you guys try these question, okay? Again,
Yes, sir.
motorboat, time taken, this one, rectangular part, oh, this one is different, but motorboat, two water taps, denominator, fraction. These are all the questions that we have done, right? So a train travels, average speed, bus travels, truck covers, okay. So all these questions are same one, right? So I guess that we have completed the same kind of question. So yeah, two consecutive natural number, two-digit number, flight, numerator, fraction. So these are the kind of question that we have done. Two water taps. So we have we have boat and what upstream, downstream. These kind of question. We have time one, train or bus or plane or whatever. And then we have tap, water tap question. And then the fourth one is denominator or whatever, numerator. And fifth one is what? Fifth one is consecutive.
Fraction.
Yeah, and whatever. So the fraction one also. So these are the kind of same question which has been asked, right? So we have done all these kind, and then up to you guys. You guys practice. Oh, the important one, the age one, right? So age problem. Okay, so let us stop at here, and in the next class, what should we do? Should we try all the more question from this one, or should we move on to nature of foods? What should we do, guys? Yeah.
Nature of fruit.
Okay, so let us start. In the next class, we'll start the nature of foods. And but you guys